Oil leak is a very critical issue that needs to be addressed immediately. If you have any oil leak in your engine, it has to be fixed as soon as possible. Now let's have a look at some of the common locations of oil leakage. Let's begin from top of the engine. You might have oil leakage right here in the vicinity of the valve cover. If the valve cover gasket or seal is not sitting properly, if it is not sealing properly, that can cause a leakage. So the number one leakage on the top is a valve cover that is installed incorrectly, or it could be leakage at the oil filler cap. These areas, if the teeth is distorted and if it is not installed correctly, it can also leak. So oil filler neck is susceptible to leakage, valve cover is susceptible to leakage, and on some cases, manifold connection points can also start to leak. And the other, when you come to the front of the engine, if you have oil right here at the front of the engine, if you have oil in the front right there, that could be caused by a timing gasket cover problem, or it could be caused by a crankshaft seal that is damaged. If you have oil right there at the crankshaft, if you find oil lower right here, that is an indication of a failing crankshaft dynamic seal. Or if you have oil somewhere up here, it could be caused by a failing camshaft oil seal. So at the front, it could be a camshaft seal or a crankshaft seal. If you have leakage at the bottom of the engine, it could be caused by oil pan gasket, or it could be caused by oil drain plug. If the gasket is somehow not sealing properly, or if the oil pan is somehow distorted and not sitting properly on the engine block, that can lead to leakage in these areas. And if you don't have a copper washer at the drain plug, or if it is not installed correctly, if somehow the teeth is distorted, that can also lead to leakage. If you have leakage at the rear of the engine, if you have leakage somewhere in the flywheel area, that could be caused by a crankshaft rear main seal problem, defective main seal. Or if the camshaft is extended back and you have a seal at the back, it could be caused by a damaged camshaft rear seal as well. Other areas for oil leakage, probable areas are like these, oil filter areas. If the oil filter is not installed correctly, that can leak. Or if you have an engine oil cooler, that intersection also will have oil leakage problem. And on some oil pressure sensors, if the sensor is not installed correctly, that can also leak. And if you have a vacuum pump like this can also be leaking. Right here we have an input to the vacuum valve, and right here there is a return. And if you also have a turbochargers have also massive oil flow internally, and that connection might be leaking as well. So these are some of the areas that you need to give due attention if you notice frequent low oil level due to leakage.